This is Food Show 2016, and we have invited students from 14 schools throughout the district, along with the 5th grade Riverdale Elementary students, to come and try new items for next school year's menu. The items that the students score the highest will be the items that we solicit for next school year to be on our menus as new items. It's very successful because the students know that they're going to be ambassadors for the school nutrition program, and it's their evaluations on the surveys that are going to drive how we pick items for next school year's menu. And we will solicit the items based on the students' favorites, and then we'll follow the purchasing procurement procedures for making sure that we do everything else correctly prior to bringing in the new items and placing them on the menu. It's very important to us that our customers, which is the students, play an integral role of selecting items for our school menus. We do have a menu planning committee, and the menu planning committee helps to determine which items out of the huge spectrum of items are actually selected for the food show and for testing. We do some testing at the school level to see how students accept the items, and if they are acceptable, then we do bring them to this next level, to the formal testing. We also have a menu application and software system called NutriSlice. NutriSlice is an interactive menu software program that is accessed through the school nutrition department's website, and it can also be downloaded into an app, and it's also part of the Clayton County whole school system app. It's got a link within that system, but it can also be downloaded separately so that parents and students could actually just click on the app and pull up their school's menus for the day. It's really wonderful for parents because if they download the app to their mobile devices, their iPhone, Apple phone, Android phone, iPads, laptop computers, wherever they are in real time, they can look up the menus. And what's even better is if students have diabetes or other dietary needs, they can click on the food items and the nutrition information, carb information all comes up. So it's really wonderful for our health techs also to be able to help count carbs for our students with diabetes. One thing we had to explain to our student ambassadors that are here representing the district today and also selecting the new items for next school year, we do have USDA requirements that we must follow. All of our breaded chicken products are all breaded with whole grain products. All of the grain items that we serve, from burritos all the way down to cupcakes or a cookie or a brownie, are made with whole grain flour. And it has to be 51% or higher in whole grain. And whole grain has to be the first item unless it's water in the product in order to be on our menu. And our items are all low fat and low sodium. And many people don't realize that. We really serve healthy food here.